Alright everybody, thanks for watching Nick's shooting channel. We've been planting trees all day out here on the 200 acres. We probably planted 200 or 300 trees. We're going to end the day off. What I have here is 9 hockey pucks duct taped together, and we're going to see how many we can get a 5.56 round to go through. So let's set this here on this orange bucket, and we'll go see if I can hit it. Okay, so what we have here is a Smith Wesson M&P 5.56. And if you can take a look down range here, it might be a little bit hard to see. What we did is we added a red sticker to the front of those hockey pucks just to make it a little bit more visible. So with that, let's see if we can hit this bad boy. All right, Nick's shooting channel here. We're going to go AR15 5.56 versus hockey puck. Oh, we hit something. Let's see what we hit. All right, I'm not sure if we hit the pucks here, but the bucket's over. So we either hit the bucket and took the bucket down, or we hit the pucks on top. Let's see what we did here. Well, got the top edge of the pucks, it looks like. So what we have here is we have 2 pucks that we went through, and a third, and you can see right here on the third kind of went high. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn these around and hit it. What we're going to do is turn these around and we're going to hit it back again from the other side. Right, we're going to try to hit these hockey pucks second time with this AR15 5.56. See how many we can go through. All right, it looks like we got a good hit on those hockey pucks this time. Bucket's still standing, pucks are on the ground. That's a good sign. So on the Facebook page before we came out this weekend, I heard anywhere from 2, 3, 4, 5 hockey pucks for the AR15 5.56. So man, let's see what we got here. I'm excited to see what we did. Well, same thing as before. If you can see here, we just got on the very tip top of this, so we're shooting a little bit high. What we're going to do here is we're going to aim for the bottom of this, and we're going to try this one more time. See if we can get right through the center of these hockey pucks. We're shooting a little bit high. See if we can aim a little bit low this time and see what we can do. All right, I think we got him that time. We had a bunch of pucks go flying. Let's go check this out. See what we got here. We got a standing bucket. And see how many hockey pucks we got. Well, if you look here, there's our bucket. There's our first hockey puck there. And let's see what we got here. Shooting high. So this is crazy. We got this little hole here on one puck, and looks like the puck shrank after the bullet went through. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you look real closely right there, we got 5. So we went through 4 pucks completely and stopped on the 5th. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching Nick's Shooting Channel. Feel free to give me the thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your friends. Have a good day.